Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Focus wing mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and a new wing mirror assembly. Make sure the replacement mirror is specifically designed for your Ford Focus model. Park your car safely on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine to ensure a secure working environment. This preparation is key for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior trim panel located on the inside of the door, near the mirror base. Use a trim removal tool to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the panel is off, you'll see the electrical connector. Carefully disconnect it. Then, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the old wing mirror to the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new wing mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first to ensure proper alignment, then fully tighten them with your screwdriver. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, ensuring a secure and snug connection for all functions. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Before you hit the road, turn on your car and thoroughly test the new mirror. Check its power adjustment functions, ensuring it moves smoothly in all directions. If your mirror has a heating element, confirm that it also works correctly. Finally, verify clear visibility from the driver's seat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.